Because of the interests at stake, states have rigorous substantive and procedural requirements for adoption. We explore some of Kentucky's requirements in BL versus JS. Following BL's birth, his biological father was repeatedly incarcerated. During a lengthy incarceration, Kentucky's Cabinet for Health and Family Services removed BL and his half-brother from their mother's care for neglect. The cabinet placed both children with JS and JS, BL's step-great-aunt and step-great-uncle, for permanent relative placement. Although the placement granted long-term custody, that custody was subject to future challenges by the biological parents, and BL's father intended to pursue custody once released from prison. Seeking permanency, JS and JS petitioned to adopt BL. His father objected. At trial, evidence showed that the father had been incarcerated for 3 of BL's 5 years, had little contact with BL, and only occasionally provided financial support. The father also had no employment prospects once released and was likely to live in a halfway house. The trial court granted the adoption. BL's father appealed to the Kentucky Court of Appeals. He argued, among other things, that the trial court erred in failing to consider less drastic measures and in finding step-relatives exempt from the requirement that a child be officially placed for adoption before an adoption petition is filed.